Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check your Apple Watch model. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether the Apple Watch 9 or Apple Watch 6 or 8, and I want to check the model, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Then locate and click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Now under General, click on About. Once you selected About, come to where you see Model Name. Then this is your Apple Watch name. Here you can see I have the Apple Watch Series 9 GPS plus cellular. So if you have Apple Watch Series 8 or Apple Watch 9 GPS, that shows you only have the GPS without the cellular. So whatever you have here is the name or the model of your Apple Watch. So that's exactly how to check Apple Watch model name. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.